Hello, I intend to make a couple of minutes describe what is our products in Vita Chemicals. This is very brief, a web page with more details will be sent to you. First, what is the problem? We are solving two problems in Vita Chemicals. One is the physical pain of patients in hospitals. The other one is mental pain of post-traumatic stress of soldiers who go to war and kill people and see their friends are killed and bomb is exploded near their ear. They have pain, mental pain. We will save them, help them by a complicated machine that will erase some parts of their memory. They choose which memory to delete and it will delete it for them. I have recorded another pitch about that machine. The video link is in the web page. I don't talk about it now. In this video I talk about the chemical compound. Number two, what is the solution? Solution is a chemical compound that our factory is going to mass produce. Unique value proposition. Either you or your wife or your children, your sister, your mother, your family, your friends, there is a possibility that you go to a hospital with a high level of certainty they will kill you if you don't have our product. And what is it? We talk about it later. It will save your life and eliminate your pain, physical pain. Unfair advantage. What is the unfair advantage that our factory has and none of those multi-billion-dollar factories like Pfizer or rest of them, they don't have? It's a unique production process that we will reveal to you later, and they cannot copy it. They will learn it after we reveal it in our marketing material. That's focus of our marketing material. But they cannot copy it. We will tell you why they cannot copy it. That is our advantage, and it will capture 20% of their market share instantly. How does that work later? This is a very short video. Customer segment. Human animals, other animals in hospital, human hospital, veterinaries, all are customers of our chemical. Slide number 6 of 14. Existing alternatives, how these problems are solved today. There are competitor factories in every country. There are some drug factories, pharmaceuticals, but none of them have our product and none of them can have our product. This is a very bold statement. How a multi-billion-dollar factory will know about your product one day when you start selling it and they cannot have it? We will describe for you how later. So there isn't any competitor for our product, and competitor multi-billion-dollar factories cannot produce it, will not produce it, and if they do, they fail. Why? We will describe it later. So far it's 5 minutes. I am at slide 6. The slide 7, key metrics, numbers. I have spent $250,000 for starting a new research lab in Northland in New Zealand. 4,000 square meter land we have, and we are constructing the new research lab. And another $150,000 I allocated for research, not for mass production, because we need more. And I need about $4 million for building the mass production facilities there. High level concept, analogy, a hospital, any hospital, without our product is like a construction engineer without a calculator, or a soldier without a gun. It's necessary for every hospital in New Zealand, in Australia, in America, everywhere, in this international community. There are hospitals in every country. Every one of them, they need both of our products, the chemical and the brain reprogramming machine. When you watch the brain reprogramming machine, you will know it's necessary. Channels passed to customers. The slide 9 of 14. We have a marketing plan, an extensive marketing plan, and for our software product we made 110 pages business plan. If you want, you will get a copy of that and see the template of the marketing plan for this chemical. We'll make another marketing plan, and that's how we get the customers. And who is our customers? Hospitals and people, individual people. Early adopters. Who are early adopters? Managers of hospitals everywhere, and physicians, doctors. If they have the desire to leave, if they want to die, they use the present products and they get sick and die. And ordinary people who are even healthy, when they are aware of our product that exists, the chemical one, they will buy it and keep it in case they need it later. Cost structure, fixed and variable costs. About $4,400,000 investment we need for the phase 1 of mass production. 400K I supplied, the rest of it you supply. And unit production cost for our chemical is about $5. We sell it $19. Unit production cost for our brain programming machine is about $2,000 or a little less. And we sell it $40,000 to hospitals. This is not a cheap product for end user. And Maria, our robot, will be a nurse guiding customers how to use it in the hospital. It's a robot. We talk about it. I spoke about the brain programming machine in the other page. Test done. Now I'm talking about the chemical product. In our lab, we have done a test on this chemical compound, and 2 other labs, one in Spain and one in America. They have affirmed our product. Revenue, where the money comes from selling the chemical compound and selling the machine. Who is the team? It's me. I'm a systems engineer. My CV is about 14 pages. Later in the due diligence time you will read. And we have pharmacologists as science consultant, and we will employ a physician, and we employ a PhD in chemistry in the management team, and we will employ many other chemists and marketing people. This is the main thing that we need, chemists and marketing people. And that was slide 14. It became 9 minutes. Have a happy time. Moses, Vita Chemicals.